Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, October 29th. We continue with the book of Awakening from Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled The Waters Within Us. Spirit, like water, is a source of life. We cannot live dry. The more we are worn by experience, the more of an inlet we become, and the more the waters of life wash out of us. This is why tears come more easily the longer we're here. Perhaps wisdom is nothing more than the unsayable waters rising within us to swell around the eyes. The way that oceans soften land, evidence of that inevitable tide that takes a lifetime to rise. We're so afraid of the waters within us that we often tense as soon as we see tears, asking, "What's wrong?" when perhaps all we need to ask is, "What do you see?" Wow, that's short but very profound. Well, at least to me, definitely touches me deeply. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath soft and natural, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix in this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is, including you. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, sense of freedom. See if it helps you to relax into a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a few moments to recall the last time you cried. What were the circumstances? How did it feel? Before, during, after? Breathing softly, naturally. Revisit the feeling of release after the crying, after the tears. Breathe into that release and look beneath what caused you to cry. And maybe you can feel for that unsayable wisdom rising with the waters within you to cover you with love and compassion. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this wonderfully profound reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, so I will see you on Thursday.